क्लास 9th फिजिक्स मोशन। आज हम क्लास 9th फिजिक्स मोशन के कुछ चैप्टर को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, डिफाइन करेंगे। चैप्टर का नाम है आपका मोशन। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन होता है व्हाट इज डिफाइंड द मोशन। डिफाइंड मोशन डेफिनेशन नोट करेंगे। मोशन द फिनोमिना ऑफ द चेंज ऑफ द पोजीशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम इज कॉल्ड मोशन। The phenomena of the change of the position with respect to time is called a motion. For example, let's object A move to point B. The object point A move to point B. This is create a motion. The phenomena of the change of the position with respect to time is called motion. Object A to move to point B, initial position to final position. Point A is the initial position and point B is the final position. This is the initial position. Initial position and B the final position. Final position. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट होगा आपका स्केलर क्वांटिटी और वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। स्केलर क्वांटिटी और वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज। फर्स्ट नोट करेंगे स्केलर क्वांटिटीज। स्केलर quantities. Scalar quantities. Scalar or vector quantities. Scalar quantity defined scalar quantities. Those quantities or scalar quantities, those physical quantities which have only magnitude or no direction is called scalar quantities. For example, of mass, volume, area, mass, volume and area, density, etc. All physical quantities are scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, those physical quantity which have only or magnitude no direction is called scalar quantities. Next है आपका वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज। वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज। Vector quantity define vector quantities. Vector quantities, those physical quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. Physical quantities which have magnitude and as well as direction is called a vector quantities. This is only magnitude and vector quantities has a physical quantities, those which have direction as well as magnitude, which have magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude and direction. For example, force, weight, acceleration, etc. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कवर करेंगे, डिफाइन करेंगे डिस्टेंस, डिफाइंड डिस्टेंस, डिफाइंड डिस्टेंस, डिस्टेंस, डिफाइंड डिस्टेंस, the total distance or actual path a body cover, the total distance or a body cover, the total or actual path is called a distance. A body cover the total or actual path of initial position to final position is called a distance. For example, a body move to point A to point B to point C. AC AB is equal to 3 meter and BC is equal to 4 meter. This distance is equal to AB plus of BC is equal to 3 plus 4 centimeter meter is equal to 7 meter. Initial position to final position. A is the initial position and C is the final position. The distance will be AB plus BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Next point होगा displacement. And distance is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. For example, are a scalar quantity of density, mass, volume, area, and distance. Distance is a scalar quantity, and vector quantities are mass, weight, and acceleration, etc. So, displacement, define the displacement. Displacement, the shortest distance between initial position to final position is called the shortest distance or the shortest path. The initial position and final position is called a displacement. For example, point A is initial position, point B is a move to point B and move to point C. Meter, this is the 4 meter and this is 5 meter. Pythagoras theorem, apply your right angle. Pythagoras theorem, AC is 5 centimeter. This is the final position, final and initial. Initial position and see the final position. Displacement S bar. Displacement is represent the small s arrow or is equal to AC is equal to 5 meter. The shortest distance, the initial position and final position is called a displacement. Displacement is a vector quantities. Displacement is a vector quantity, magnitude and as well as direction. It is AC or displacement is a vector quantities and distance is a scalar quantities. Represent the distance is only s and the displacement is represent the s bar. Displacement is a vector quantity s arrow. It is a vector quantity, it is scalar quantities. Next point, uniform speed or non-uniform speed or next class.